Hi, today we are going to talk about the role of KEAM in architecture colleges in Kerala. Hello everyone, my name is Julie James and welcome back to AFD India, your trusted guide for design and architecture careers. If you are planning to study architecture in Kerala, this video is for you. Today we'll explain how the application process for architecture colleges in Kerala works and how the KEAM website plays a crucial role in rank and seat allocation. So let's dive in. The first step to pursuing a B.Arch degree in Kerala is through the KEAM, that is Kerala Engineering Architecture Medical Entrance Exam, which is managed by the Commissioner of Entrance Exams or CEED. The KEAM official website is www.ceed.kerala.gov.in, which is responsible for assigning ranks to applicants and seat allocation for architecture colleges. Here's a step-by-step guide for all KEAM related processes. First, you will visit the KEAM official website where you will create a profile using your basic details like name, email and phone number. Second, you would fill out the application form. You have to complete the form by entering your personal academic and contact details. Select B.Arch as one of your preferred courses. Next, you need to upload the required documents, which are a recent passport size photograph, signature, and proof of eligibility, like your 10+2 mark sheet. Submit your NATA score. The National Aptitude Test in Architecture or NATA score is mandatory for the B.Arch admissions. So once you have your NATA results, upload them in the KEAM portal. Finally, you pay the application fee. NATA score received on or before 31st July 2024 alone will be considered for preparing the architecture rank list. KEAM will publish the rank list utilized for the purpose of admission to architecture colleges in Kerala. Marks obtained by the candidate in the National Aptitude Test for Architecture or the NATA exam out of 200 will be added to the total marks or grades which has been secured in your qualifying exam, which is your 12th grade. The 12th grade marks are also computed out of 200. The rank list will be prepared based on the total marks obtained out of 400 computed as above. You can log into the portal and check your rank and eligibility. The KEAM website manages the entire CAP or centralized allotment process where you can select your preferred college and course. Based on your rank, seat availability and reservation criteria, the portal allots seats in the best possible college. Once a seat is allotted, you need to confirm it by paying the required fee through the KEAM portal. The website also provides a chance to upgrade your seat during the subsequent allotment rounds. The portal ensures transparency by displaying rank lists, seats available, and allotment details. It's also the go-to source for updates, important notifications, and deadlines. Here's a quick recap of the key dates. KEAM registration opens in February or March. NATA exams are conducted in multiple phases starting in April. The rank list publication happens in June and July, and the seat allotment rounds start in July. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you navigate the KEAM process and secure admission to your dream architecture college in Kerala. Remember, the KEAM website is www.ceed.kerala.gov.in, and it is your ultimate resource for ranks, seats, and updates in the state of Kerala. One important thing you need to keep in mind here is that the KEAM registration will close sometime in June, so you have to make sure that you write the early rounds of the NATA exam so that you have your score in time before the KEAM registration closes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to AFD India. Good luck with your journey, and I'll see you in the next video.